In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reminder email in Gmail. Setting up reminders in Gmail can save you from missing out on important tasks, events, or follow-ups. Let's break it down step by step so you can make the most of this handy feature. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're there, make sure you're on your inbox page. This is where all your emails are stored and where you'll carry out the next few steps. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Gmail credentials to access your inbox. Next, look through your emails and find the one that you want to set a reminder for. This could be an email about an event, a task you don't want to forget, or anything else requiring your attention later. Once you've found this email, you'll notice a small box appearing on the left side of it. Click in this box to select the email. Selecting the email is crucial because it tells Gmail, "This is the email I need to deal with later." After selecting the email, you'll see an array of icons appearing along the top of your inbox. One of these icons is the snooze option, which may look like a small clock or timepiece. Click on the snooze icon. This feature essentially allows you to remove the email from your inbox temporarily and bring it back later at a time of your choosing. It's a neat way to manage your emails effectively, ensuring priority information doesn't slip through the cracks. Once you've clicked on snooze, you're going to see several predefined time options like tomorrow, this weekend, or next week. If none of these options suit your needs, don't worry. For more personalized scheduling, click on Pick Date and Time. This will open up a calendar view where you can specify the exact date and time you want the email to return to your inbox as a reminder. This is particularly useful if you're dealing with deadlines that fall on specific days or times. After you've selected the date and time that works best for you, click on the Save button. Saving your selection confirms that Gmail should remove the email from your immediate view and return it at your scheduled time as a fresh, unread message. This way, it will catch your attention when you need to take action on it. And there you have it. You've successfully added a reminder email in Gmail. This feature is especially helpful for staying organized and on top of important tasks. Whether for work, personal management, or simply to declutter your inbox, using the snooze function strategically can significantly enhance your email productivity. Keep these steps in mind whenever you need to set a gentle reminder for yourself and make your Gmail experience both efficient and stress-free.